Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss about accumulation points and derived sets. So in this video you will learn what is accumulation point, its example and what is derived set. So let's move toward accumulation points. If we let that X star to be a topological space and A to be a subset of X, and if we let that this P belongs to X, then this point P is called accumulation point or limit point of A if and only if for every open set G such that P belongs to G contains a point of A different from P. Here the point is that we take a topological space and we take A to be a subset of X, and the point P, which we have to consider as accumulation point, should belong to the space topological space X, and the condition is that every open set G and that open set must contain point P. So if we have to ask it as accumulation point if and only if that open set G contains a point of A and that point should be different from P. We can write it as G minus P intersection A should not equals to phi. That is, if we take the difference of G with P and take the intersection with A, it should not be empty set. So let's move towards its example. If we let X equals to A, B, C, D, E and topology ta to be equal to phi X singleton A, C, D, A, C, D, B, C, D, E be a topology on X, consider the set A which is equal to A, B, C and the set A is subset of set X. Now we have to check whether the elements A, B, C, D, E of X are accumulation points or not. So for this, first of all we will check the element A, then we will check element B, then C, then we will check D, and lastly we will check E. So here A belongs to X, but the open sets which contains A are X, singleton A, ACD. So here if we check that every open set uh, and we take the difference with A, then it should not be empty. But here if we check that if we take the difference of A with open set A, it would be empty and its intersection with A would also be empty. So A is not an accumulation point of A, or we can say that A is not a limit point of A. Similarly, now if we check B, B is an element of X, and since the open sets which contain B are B, C, D, E and X, here open sets are X and B, C, D, E. B is contained in B, C, D, E and X. So, and both of these open sets contains a point of A different from B. Like points of A are A, B, C, and A, B, C, A and C is contained in this set, and A and C is contained in this set. That is, the set is non G minus P intersection with A is non-empty, so B is an accumulation point. Next, we will check C. C belongs to X, and since open sets containing C are CD, ACD, BCDE, and X. But the open set CD, if we check CD, it does not contain a point of A different from C. Like if we take the difference of CD with C, we will get D, and if we take the intersection of D with ABC, we will get empty set. So it means that C is not the accumulation point of A. So next we will check D. D belongs to X, and since the open set containing D are CD, ACD, BCDE and X. and each contains a point of A different from D. Like if we take the difference of these open sets with D and take the intersection with ABC, we will get at least 1 point. We will get 1 point in case of CD, and that point is C. In case of ACD, we will get AC, and in case of BCDE, we will get BC. So every point, in every case, we get a non-empty set. So D is an accumulation point or limit point of A. Next, we will get check whether E is an accumulation point of A or not. Since every open set containing E are these open sets are B, C, D, E, and X, and each contain a point of A different from E. Like if we take the difference of this open set with E, we will get B, C, D, and if we take the intersection it with A, we will get B, C, and similarly with X. So E is also the limit point of A. So that's all about an example of the accumulation point. So next move toward derived set. The set of all limit points of set A, which is the subset of X, is called the derived set of A, and it is denoted by A bar and A derived set. And in the previous example, the derived set is BDE because B, D, and E were the accumulation points of the set A. So the derived set of that set A, ABC, was BDE. So that's all about our today's lecture. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.